1. Location. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. The three vertices of the triangle are typically considered to be Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. The area covers approximately 500,000 square miles, 1,295,000 square kilometers, of ocean. Despite its name, the Bermuda Triangle is not an official designation, and its boundaries are not universally agreed upon. Notable points. The Bermuda Triangle encompasses a heavily traveled area of ocean, with shipping lanes that connect ports in Europe, the Americas, and the Caribbean. The region has a long history of seafaring and exploration, dating back to the Age of Discovery. Navigational challenges. Navigating through the Bermuda Triangle can be challenging due to its unpredictable weather patterns, strong currents, and sudden storms. The area is also known for its magnetic anomalies, which can interfere with compass readings and navigation systems. 2. Mysterious disappearances. The Bermuda Triangle is notorious for the unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. Over the years, numerous incidents have been reported where vessels and planes vanished without a trace while passing through this area. One of the most famous incidents is the disappearance of Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers that vanished during a training flight on December 5, 1945. Despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage or bodies were ever found. Notable incidents. The USS Cyclops, a Navy cargo ship, vanished without a trace in the Bermuda Triangle in March 1918. The ship was carrying a crew of 309 and a cargo of manganese ore. The disappearance of the SS Marine Sulphur Queen in February 1963 remains one of the largest losses of a U.S.-flagged ship in peacetime. The vessel vanished with 39 crew members on board. In 1948, a British South American Airways airliner, the Star Tiger, vanished without a trace while flying from the Azores to Bermuda. 3. Flight 19. Flight 19 was a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers that vanished during a training flight on December 5, 1945. The squadron took off from the Naval Air Station in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, for a routine training mission. The flight was led by experienced flight instructor Lieutenant Charles Taylor, who had logged over 2,500 flying hours. The mission was a routine navigation exercise known as Navigation Problem No. 1, which involved flying from Fort Lauderdale to the Bahamas and back. Shortly after takeoff, Taylor reported that his compasses were malfunctioning and that he was unable to determine the squadron's position. Despite repeated attempts to establish their location using radio communication and visual sightings, Taylor and his squadron became disoriented and lost. Radio transmissions from Flight 19 indicated confusion and desperation among the pilots. One transmission reportedly said, "We can't find west. Everything is wrong. We can't be sure of any direction. Everything looks strange, even the ocean." 4. USS Cyclops. The USS Cyclops was a Navy cargo ship that vanished without a trace in the Bermuda Triangle in March 1918. The ship was carrying a crew of 309 and a cargo of manganese ore. The USS Cyclops was en route from the West Indies to Baltimore, Maryland, when it disappeared. The ship never arrived at its destination, and no distress signals were received. Despite an extensive search by the Navy, no wreckage or bodies were ever found. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops remains one of the largest losses of life in U.S. naval history and one of the most enduring mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. 5. Magnetic anomalies. The Bermuda Triangle is known for its unusual magnetic anomalies that can interfere with compass readings and navigation systems. Magnetic anomalies are variations in the Earth's magnetic field that can cause compasses to behave erratically and lead to navigational errors. In the Bermuda Triangle, these magnetic anomalies have been known to cause compasses to point towards true north instead of magnetic north, leading to confusion among pilots and sailors. The variation in magnetic fields in the Bermuda Triangle is caused by a phenomenon known as magnetic declination, which is the difference between true north and magnetic north. While magnetic anomalies are not uncommon in the Earth's magnetic field, the ones in the Bermuda Triangle are particularly strong and unpredictable. 6. Methane gas. One theory proposed to explain the mysterious disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle involves methane gas trapped beneath the seafloor. Methane hydrates, also known as methane clathrates, are ice-like structures that form when methane gas combines with water under high pressure and low temperatures. These methane hydrates are stable under the high-pressure conditions found at the bottom of the ocean. However, if the pressure decreases or the temperature rises, the methane hydrates can become unstable and release large amounts of methane gas. The sudden release of methane gas can decrease the density of the water, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink without a trace. Some researchers believe that pockets of methane hydrates could exist beneath the seafloor in the Bermuda Triangle and that sudden releases of methane gas could explain the mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft in the region. 7. Skepticism. Despite the mystery and intrigue surrounding the Bermuda Triangle, many experts are skeptical of the claims of unusual occurrences in the area. They argue that the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is no higher than in any other heavily traveled region of the world's oceans. Most incidents can be attributed to human error, adverse weather conditions, or natural disasters. Explanation of skeptical views. Human error. Many of the incidents attributed to the Bermuda Triangle can be explained by human error. Pilots and sailors may become disoriented or make navigational mistakes, leading to accidents or disappearances. Adverse weather conditions. The Bermuda Triangle is known for its unpredictable weather patterns, strong currents, and sudden storms. Adverse weather conditions can make navigation difficult and increase the risk of accidents. And natural disasters. The region is also prone to natural disasters such as hurricanes, which can sink ships and aircraft and cause them to disappear without a trace. Lack of evidence. Despite extensive search efforts, no definitive evidence has been found to support the existence of paranormal or supernatural phenomena in the Bermuda Triangle. 8. Flight 19 radio transmissions. During the disappearance of Flight 19, radio transmissions were received indicating confusion and disorientation among the pilots. Flight 19 consisted of 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers led by experienced flight instructor Lieutenant Charles Taylor. Shortly after takeoff from the Naval Air Station in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on December 5, 1945, Taylor reported that his compasses were malfunctioning and that he was unable to determine the squadron's position. The radio transmissions from Flight 19 have fueled speculation about the possible causes of the disappearance. Some have interpreted the transmissions as evidence of paranormal or supernatural phenomena in the Bermuda Triangle, while others attribute them to navigational errors or other known factors. Many experts are skeptical of the claims of unusual occurrences in the Bermuda Triangle. They argue that the radio transmissions from Flight 19 can be explained by known factors such as human error, adverse weather conditions, or natural disasters. Despite extensive search efforts, no definitive evidence has been found to support the existence of paranormal or supernatural phenomena in the Bermuda Triangle. While the Bermuda Triangle remains a popular topic of speculation and debate, many experts believe that there is little evidence to support the existence of paranormal or supernatural phenomena in the area. Most incidents can be attributed to known factors such as human error, adverse weather conditions, or natural disasters. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to receive more videos like this.